Dr. Zakir, is it better, according to Quran and Sunnah, to offer the Qiyaam-Ul-Layl individually or in congregation?
There are hadith which say that a person can offer Qiyaam-Ul-Layl individually, also in congregation. Both accepted, and all the references I gave, most of them the Prophet used to offer together. And I gave some references when the Sahaba used to join the Prophet, so both are there. But as far as which is better, but natural, there are various hadith in Sahih Bukhari saying that if you offer in congregation, you get 27 times more sawab. There are two hadith saying that. And further, as far as the Qiyaam-Ul-Layl in Ramadan is concerned, there's a hadith in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of Taraweeh, hadith number 2012, where once the Prophet, he goes to the mosque, and there he finds that people are offering in the groups. So he offers Salah, the Qiyaam-Ul-Layl, at night, and many people joined behind him. Next day, the news spreads. And the next night, the full mosque is filled with people. The third night, again, when the Prophet comes to offer the Qiyaam-Ul-Layl, the mosque is overflowing with people in the congregation, but natural. The fourth night, again, it is overfilled. But the Prophet, he knows people are waiting out, again, to join him for Qiyaam-Ul-Layl. He does not go out purposely. And during Fajr, after offering the Fajr Salah, after the Salah is over, and he says that not that I was not aware that the people were waiting for me for the Qiyaam-Ul-Layl, but I did not want to make it compulsory for you. I don't want people to think that it's compulsory to offer Qiyaam-Ul-Layl, lest it would be difficult for you. So purposely Prophet gave a break to make it known to the people that it's not fard to offer Qiyaam-Ul-Layl, and he didn't want to make it difficult for the people. But from the hadith you come to know that offering Jama is better. And there's another hadith in Sunan Abu Dawud, volume number 1, in the book of Salah, hadith number 1370. One is the Prophet was offering Qiyaam-Ul-Layl, and he finishes. And when he's about to get up, people say that, why don't you pray more? So the Prophet says that anyone who prays till the Imam finishes, if he prays with the Imam till he finishes, it is as though he has prayed for the full night. So from these two hadiths we come to know that offering Qiyaam-Ul-Layl in congregation is better than offering individually, irrespective whether it's in Ramadan or outside Ramadan.